Mozart's Fantasy in D minor is full of contrast, mystery, and imagination. It's only a few minutes long, but it feels like a dramatic scene with multiple characters. It probably is Mozart at his most operatic. Though unfinished, it feels complete in its emotional arc. To play it well, you need imagination, restraint, and a sense of theater. The opening isn't lyrical, it's rhetorical. You're speaking alone on a dark stage. Let each chord question the next. This piece should sound spontaneous, almost improvised. Let phrases breathe. Don't play metronomically. Use rubato to shape the musical gestures. Think of it as Mozart himself at the keyboard, just exploring. The opening isn't lyrical, it's rhetorical. Mozart jumps between moods in this piece. Tender one moment, stormy the next. Lean into those contrasts. Make the soft parts vulnerable, the forte sections fiery. It's the suddenness that gives this piece its edge. Treat each new musical idea as a new scene in a one-man opera. Rubato is essential here, especially in the opening and closing sections, but always keep a sense of internal pulse. Your freedom should feel like breathing, not collapsing. Stay in control while sounding free. The final section, often thought to be completed by another person, feels somehow a little bright for the piece. But if you play it with grace, it offers resolution, like waking gently from a stormy dream. Don't overplay it. Let the final cadence feel sort of unfinished with an Austrian charm, like a whisper that disappears. That ambiguity is what makes it magical. The Fantasy in D minor is not about clarity. It's about emotion and illusion. Treat it like a moment suspended in time. Let it speak in sighs, gasps, and silences. And trust that sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is less. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.